This is the latest news summary of global geopolitics. Please like and write your comments, they are very important to us. Western tanks will not be able to fight in the Donbass, because of their characteristics. German and British Leopard 2, and Challenger 2 tanks, which the West agreed to supply to Kiev, are unlikely to fight in the Donbass, writes the American portal Military Watch. As noted in the publication, the reason lies in the complex maintenance of machines, and their effectiveness in combat. Both tanks are significantly heavier than those currently used by the APU, and will require significantly more fuel and maintenance. Their weight makes them less suitable for operations on narrow roads or in cities, and their lack of automatic loaders means that they will need 33% more crew than Soviet-designed tanks, the article says. In addition, as the authors of the publication pointed out, the reputation of tanks is, incorrigibly, tarnished, since even Turkish generals characterized the experience of using these machines as painful. A special military operation has been taking place in Ukraine since February 24. Vladimir Putin called its ultimate goal the liberation of Donbass, and the creation of conditions that guarantee Russia's security. Against this background, the United States and its NATO allies support Kiev with arms supplies worth tens of billions of dollars. Moscow has repeatedly stated that military assistance only delays the conflict, and transport with weapons becomes a legitimate target for the Russian army.